Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulihil Kareem Amma Ba'd. Today I will speak on the concept of hijab in Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, وَقَرْنَ فِي بُيُوتِكُنَّ وَلَا تَبَرَّجْنَ تَبَرُّجَ الْجَاهِلِيَّةِ الْأُولَى. Remain in your homes and do not display your beauty as it is used to be displayed in the days of early ignorance. Surah Al-Hijab, Surah number 33, Ayat number 33. Hijab in Islam is well connected with that of marriage and Islamic family system. The West considers the society a group of individuals free to indulge in any activity that involves them personally. On the contrary, Islam considers all society a unit. It does not allow an individual to carry out an action that damages the social structure, though it is confined apparently to him or her personally. Islam believes that a human civilization can survive only when the society is clean, pious, systematic and responsible. The success of the society lies in its spiritual development, free sexual relation, uncontrolled carnal desires, shamelessness and nudity is disasters for society. It will lead it to a horrible end. Even some Western writers have admitted that the family system is a must for any flourishing society. The last president of Soviet Union, Mikhail Gorbachev, says in his book, Perestroika, chapter, Status of Women, our family system has been destroyed. It will put an end to our nation. The disadvantages of women emancipation are more than its advantages. So, Islam has put certain restrictions and regulations in order to protect. It has forbidden marriage between mahram relatives to purify the family atmosphere and lessen the chances of sexual relations to the least degree. It commands Muslims to marry as soon as possible. Islam asks men to always cover their body from navel to knee, while women were commanded to cover their body except the face, hand and feet. It is unlawful for both men and women to open these parts before any person other than their spouses. The women have been prohibited to go out and walk about without any obvious reason. If they go outside, they have to fulfill the condition of parda or hijab. The Holy Quran says, Ya ayyuhan nabiyyu qul li azwajika wa banatika wa nisa'il mu'minin يدنين عليهن من جلابيبهن ذلك أدنى أن يعرفن فلا يؤذين وكان الله غفورا رحيما. O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the women of the believers that they should draw down their shawls over them. That will make it more likely that they are recognized, hence not teased. Surah Al-Hijab, Surah number 33, Ayat number 59. At another place, the Quran says, وَقُلْ لِلْمُؤْمِنَاتِ يَغْضُضْنَ مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِنَّ وَيَحْفَظْنَ فُرُوجَهُنَّ وَلَا يُبْدِينَ زِينَتَهُنَّ إِلَّا مَا ظَهَرَ مِنْهَا وَلْيَضْرِبْنَ بِخُمُرِهِنَّ عَلَى جُيُوبِهِنَّ وَلَا يُبْدِينَ زِينَتَهُنَّ إِلَّا لِبُعُولَتِهِنَّ أَوْ آبَائِهِنَّ أَوْ آبَاءِ بُعُولَتِهِنَّ. And tell the believing women that they must lower their gazes and guard their private parts, and must not expose their adornment, except that which appears thereof, and must wrap their bosoms with their shawls, and must not expose their adornment, except to their husbands. Surah Al-Nur, Surah number 24, Ayat number 31. In Islam, a woman should stay in house. Even it is better for her to offer prayers in a corner of her home. It is greater virtue than to attend congregation in the mosque. Islam not only ordered women to veil their body, but it has commanded men also to shun casting a brazen look at women. They were also instructed to lower their gazes and guard their modesty. Dear audience, the women have been given a different type of physical and psychological system from men. The biological and scientific researchers reveal the fact that the women have entirely different structure ranging from body formation to the cells and particles of the body. Having been grown up, she undergoes menstruation every month and pregnancy now and then. It is medically proved that a woman is nearer to illness in menstruating and pregnancy days. She loses her temper and suffers from many abnormal changes. A mother has to suckle her baby and nourish it. It requires full-time attention. Because of these natural and physical reasons, the women have not able to discharge duties like men. It is unjust to put these duties on her weak shoulder. Biologically, women are to bear a child and nurse. Their advancement is to make their biological nature grow, not to suppress it and turn it to an opposite direction. Therefore, Islam has drawn a different framework for both men and women. Women have full freedom to excel in their field. The duty of nursing a child and managing the house is of greater value than to earn money. If a woman earns bread, she serves an ordinary purpose and leaves the important one incomplete. If she nurtures a child with full attention, she cooperates the society to produce a good and noble member for it. This job is much more important for her than the first one. Apart from biological aspect, the women were not equal to men historically. There passed many civilizations on this earth, which gave them chances to go ahead shoulder to shoulder with men, but they failed. Nowhere in the world could women overtake the men. There were only men who ruled the world in general and dominated the history. The audience, in short, Islam has moderate and divine viewpoint regarding women. Women are naturally, biologically and historically not able to discharge hard duties. The prosperity of a society lies in a balanced family system. The Western civilization, which ignored the family system, reached the edge of destruction. Hijab protects society from moral chaos. Hijab is a beauty and a symbol of dignity for women. Hijab does not bar women to achieve high goals. Here I conclude. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.